Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm standing in front of a Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo station wagon. This thing is a monster. It's crushed to the floor. We painted all the lower trim that was black. That was a black plastic, like a textured, lightly textured plastic. We painted it body color. We ran custom forged 3-piece 22-inch staggered wheels. For me, it's the stance and the wheels that makes this car. Of course, painting some of the trim body color helped it out as well because there was a lot of black going through the car originally. My brother Rob Wang from our Melrose location is the one that spec'd it out. It's like a super mesh, old school, vintage looking, kind of semi DTM style, obviously old school. The mesh, the beauty behind the wheel is how flat the surface is of the center of the wheel in the front and how flat the surface of the rear wheel center is. That's what the beauty is about this wheel. It has a step lip, outer lip, both front and back. It's a high polished step lip outer lip with a satin black center. We ran the original Porsche caps for the middle of the wheels just to keep it that OG and OEM look. This thing is really crushed. You guys will see how low it is. And the beautiful thing is with your phone, you're able to control the app and you can put it in show mode, which this is in show mode right now currently. Plus it's on Sport Plus, which gives you a little bit more of the lowering, but this thing is a monster. You guys will see it rolling around. You know, it got me pumped up wanting a wagon myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and we'll see you guys very soon. The Gran Turismo wagon comes with a very sleek and thin profile taillight, as you guys can see. It starts off by the quarter panels and wraps all the way around the vehicle. When it's not turned on, it gives you like a nice thin black line, and it has the Porsche insignia incorporated right into the taillight. Rear bumper was completely black before. This section here was black, so we kind of chose what we want to paint color of the car. We did the outer shell and color of the car, and we left some matte black factory inserts, and we left some gloss black inserts. Looks factory, yet you can tell that this isn't factory at the same time. So right now, the car is in show mode. As you guys can see, it says deactivate show mode. It's negative 55 millimeters in the front, negative 55 millimeters in the rear. When we hit this button, it basically starts to raise the car up, and it does it slowly. The drive height, we've set that to a certain drive height that's gonna be perfect for the car. And then the second we hit activate show mode, it's showtime. And that's when the thing gets crushed and it's literally on the floor.